I. The idea of working from home is one that many have come to embrace all over the world, and gradually people are getting used to it. It can be very interesting and exhilarating. It can also be relaxing because you are working from the confines of your home and you have your family members around you. Friends at times come in to say hello to you, and it feels so beautiful, it feels wonderful, and you are distracted from everything that is happening outside there. Visitors coming in during official hours from one thing or the other, and also clients coming in to disturb your work within the office setup. Also, there is no stress of your superiors and all your other colleagues. So all those things are out of it when you work at home. When you work at home, you are on your own and you can manage whatever you do by yourself without any form of distraction or disturbance or stress. So it's a beautiful idea. It's a very beautiful idea. And everybody is trying to embrace that idea because it makes everything you do flexible enough and result oriented. So there are 10 things, 10 tips that we can adopt when we want to work from home. Number one, we must get up-to-date communication gadgets like your computers, your phones, your mobile phones, and even fixed lines also, which is very important at home if you can lay hands on it, so that your work can be effective, so that communication can be seamless with your colleagues and clients out there in the office, within the city, and all over the world. That's the number one priority, because without communication you cannot achieve much. I believe you agree with me. And your computer too has to be there so that the work can be done. Your emails, your work processing, what have you. Then you may have to do some work on Excel. So your computer takes care of that. Then number two thing is that you must create an ambient office environment. That ensures that you are serious about the work you do. It gives you an air of working in the office. You get your work table, comfortable ergonomic chairs or chair rather, your bookshelf. You must have some relevant books that will aid you in doing your work and that will also help you to feel that you are working in the office environment. And enough stationery, which is very important. You must have enough stationery at home to help you to do your paperwork and the rest of that. Number three, if there is an extra room, that is a room in the house that is not of so much usage for everyday things in the house, then you can make it available. You can rearrange it for your office, your home office, so to say. And then number 14 that you have to do is to create some quietness around that space that you use in your home office. The environment must be ambient enough. There must be some quietness. to ensure that the environment is good for work. Number 5 thing to do is to take some breaks intermittently while you are doing your work. So do not sit by the table working all day long. It is not good for one's health. You must be able to get up from your work at some points during the day. You can do some home chores and other interesting things like playing with your family members and chatting with friends on phone, so that the work will not be boring, and then you will maintain your health. Health, they say, is wealth. So you must consider the health factor when you work at home. Health is very important. You must be at your optimum. And then you can do some exercises. That is very essential. You must exercise your body. In order to keep body and soul together. In order to keep healthy. Because you are not going out, you are not working outside. All you do is to work within the confines of your home. And if you are confined within your flat, then you must do something to exercise your body. So you can do some exercises in order to maintain your health. Then number 6, you can segment your schedule and be flexible with your time. You can be flexible with your time while you do your work at home. You can do a little work now, and at some point in time in the day, you can go back to your table to continue your work. And if there are other things that you have to do at home, I believe that you agree with me that home work, that is doing things that pertain to the home, is another kettle of fish entirely when we talk in terms of work. So it can be much. It can be much depending on the type of house you live in, or your apartment. So it can be much. So it's a whole lot of activities on its own. So number 17 that you have to take care of when you work at home is that you should not worry if you cannot finish a particular task at a time or in a day. You can always come back to complete the task at some point or at some other time. After all, you are at home. So you can always come back later in the day to complete your tasks, or to finish the tasks the following day. And even when we work in our normal offices, we don't finish the whole work in a day. So it takes some time. So the same thing can apply when we work at home. But the beauty of it is that even at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., you can still do your work at home, because you don't have to travel to and from the office. And everything you need to do your work is there with you at home. So it can be a very beautiful thing. Number 8, give your visitors the needed attention when they come visiting you. When your friends, your family members know that you are at home, you are doing your work at home, they can always come in visiting. And in Africa where we are, I believe you agree with me that friends, family members don't need to book appointment with you before visiting your family at home. So when they come, please, by all means, don't use the excuse that you are working. By all means, do attend to them. Welcome them and entertain them. That also has to removing the stress of working from home, because you take time off to banter with your friends, visitors. The ninth thing that you can do is to take some naps in between work. This will make you stay refreshed at every point that you do your work. Taking a nap is very good. Even in the office setup, in the real office setup, you can take some 5 minutes nap. If in your office you are not allowed to sleep, you can do that in the toilet. What is important is your health. 5 minutes is enough. It doesn't have to take 30 minutes or an hour. Just 5 minutes nap goes a long way in getting your organs to function optimally. It goes a long way in maintaining good health. Okay? The last thing that you can do while you work at home is to review and evaluate your work and achievements. Okay? You need to review and evaluate your work and all that you have achieved from time to time. Say daily, bi-weekly, 3 days, weekly. It depends on the person. You can even do your evaluation half day, so that you know the areas that you need to work on, the areas of inadequacy, the jobs that are not yet finished or those that were not well finished, so that you can at least brush them up. Do the needful to complete the assignments. This will enable you to stay focused on your goal attainment. It will enable you to achieve all that you need to achieve while you work at home. So those are the 10 tips. Get your computers, your phone gadgets, plan your day, create time to rest while you do the work, ensure that you have the stationery that you need, create an ambient environment, and like I said earlier on, if you have a space that you can use in the home, then you can arrange the room, make it look like your office environment. Get your bookshelf, your table, your ergonomic chair, and the rest of that to be able to do your work. And like I said earlier on, you have to take breaks while you are working. You have to take breaks so that the work doesn't get boring, and then you can flex, you can stretch, you can do some exercises. Then you need to attend to your visitors when they come visiting, and you need to review your work. You need to review the work you do, very important, so that everything can be seamless, and then you can do some sort of measurement of the work you do in order to ensure that success is attained. So I wish you all the best as you do your work at 10. Have a good day.